Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get the best picture settings for movies on Panasonic TV. So first of all, I highly recommend connecting your TV to an external device that supports HDR, and once you do that, press the gear button on your remote control to open settings. Then from quick settings, let's go to picture, and now let's skip all of the settings for now and go to advanced settings. And now let's enable the filmmaker mode. So just take a look at how this one setting will improve the overall quality of the image. You can see the current image right now. It's the standard mode. If I'm not mistaken, let's actually check. Yeah, it's the standard HDR. Now let's go to advanced settings and enable filmmaker mode by switching this toggle to the right, then select OK. And as you can see right now, the image quality has overall improved. Now I can see that it's kind of way too bright. It's probably because I'm in a very dark room, so I have to adjust the brightness. So make sure that the backlight is set to 100. So we want to see the picture as clear as possible. Now the brightness can be set to, for example, even 80 if you are in a darker room. But if you are in a well-lit room, you can go to as much as 90 something. So let me just decrease the brightness slightly. Contrast should stay the same in order for colors to not get distorted. Colors also should also stay the same. For the same reason, HUE or hue, do not touch this setting for sure. Go to advanced settings, make sure that the HDR is switched on, make sure that you have the filmmaker mode enabled, and at this point that's basically enough to get the clearest image on your TV without any advanced setting. So you can see it for yourself right now. For me, everything looks great, and it's just a YouTube video that I started playing on this TV, so you can see the quality yourself. Let's change the perspective. Let's see how other frames what our other frames look like. And the colors look very natural, and generally the picture is looks very good for a YouTube video especially. So basically this one step is enough to get the best picture quality for your movies. And so that's basically it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.